And that is, my friend, 1/13 group set in a Canadian brand launched in India under the brand tag of GK Bikes. So you would not see a bike like this in India, and for the first time I'm also kind of super surprised about the fact that the bike, the finishing of it, and the remote lockout suspension you get with the bike. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. And it's very simple, and it's very wide handlebar for a utmost comfortable and a full control over the bike. And I think this must be somewhere around 740 centimeters of it. Beautiful. Have a look at it. A 29 inches of frame, a 29 inches tires, giving you a good rolling resistance, and a suspension. I think this would be 100 plus suspension, sir. It's a 100 mm.
120.
Oh wow, 120 mm of suspension. Look at the finish of it. So I would request all my viewers to guess the price of the bike, and by the end of the day I will let you know the MRP of this bike, and you will all be blown away by that. Trust me. I will again take you around for this. You would be surprised to see that it's a one of a kind shifters launched in India, again under the brand of Rajesh Enterprises. Most of them know as GK Bikes. AX A2. So you would be wondering what in the world is this brand is. It's a very newly launched brand in India. As we all know, Shimano has not been able to cater the needs of Indians. This particular shifter,
Shimano doesn't make 13 speed.
and yes, Shimano doesn't make 13 speed group sets. And have a look at it. It's very nice. As you can see, the shifters are right here, and the one which is right here. So this is like SRAM. You would get both at your thumb, so that you can easily shift, and none of that on the other side, because it's a 1/13, as you can see very well, guys. So again, all the viewers, oh yes, definitely, am I missing something? Am I definitely missing something? As you can see, I'm focusing on it for you. It's a hydraulic braking system for you. Yeah, can you see that mineral oil written over there? That's a hydraulic braking system. So your braking would definitely be enhanced by it for the mountain riding purposes. A Canadian symbol over also it, and it's a brand, one of a kind bicycle. I've never seen it before, and all the viewers are requested to just kind of guess the MRP of the bike, and the whosoever is closest will be given a 10% discount from my own end. So this bicycle doesn't show the weldings anywhere, okay? It has a carbon finish frame, by the way. Can you see this? The frame doesn't have the weldings anywhere. You can see, unlike other bicycles, you will see like welding marks, but on this frame, nowhere you can see a welding mark anywhere. And that's the beauty of the bike, and that's what the aerodynamics of the bike calls for it.